After strongly condemning the actions of one man yesterday,
unfortunately, they did not spend the whole time in quarantine. This is obviously, distressing and very disappointing news for me as well and for my team.
SA Health is walking back from those comments today.
He was never given a formal direction to quarantine for the 14 days.
And despite this comment,
there are certainly quite steep penalties for breaking quarantine, but the decision to do that enforcement is over to the police.
Police say there's nothing to investigate.
He was not required to quarantine, so he hasn't done anything wrong. There's nothing for police in this.
Professor Spurrier has since apologised for her comments, issuing a statement calling it a miscommunication and thanking the man for working with SA Health. The man in his 30s was a student at the Intensive English Language Institute on Flinders Uni's Sturt campus. SA Health says he was in quarantine after a casual contact tested positive. After returning an initial negative result, he left the house to go shopping, something Health says he was allowed to do.
I don't think it's fair that we can put any blame on individuals, because it is really clear here that this person did get tested on day 1 and 12, has done the right thing.
As for whether he should have been told to quarantine,
I'm sure we'll be looking at this in more close detail, particularly upon reflection.
Health says it's been working with paid translators from different cultural and ethnic groups to ensure the message gets through to non-English speaking communities.
We should emphasise in this case, I don't think there's any suggestion at all that there's been a misunderstanding in terms of English as a second language or that we're not communicating enough.
Despite the confusion, the government was trying to push ahead with its messaging on masks at local manufacturer Detmold, which has now produced 70 million masks and will be making a new special edition kind.
But this is the Australia Day mask.
In good news, there weren't any new cases today, and police expect their investigation into the outbreak at the Woodville Pizza Bar will be complete by Wednesday. Stacey Lee, ABC News, Adelaide.